Hello students, welcome back to a Programmer Day. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 709 to lowercase. Now this is also one of the easiest possible questions out there, and we are going to solve it using not one but two methods. Now we are given a string and we have to return the string after replacing every uppercase letter with same lowercase letter. Okay, and there are constraints given that s the length of the string would be anywhere between 1 to 100 and it would be consist of printable ASCII characters. Okay, now we just have to check if now the simplest possible solution is what I can do is I can just return yes dot to lowercase. I can use a building function and that's it. Like that would be done. Like this is the easiest possible solution, and if we submit it, it's gonna accept it as well. See, accepted. But this is not the point of the problem over here. If you check the hints down below, they also mention that most languages support lowercase conversion for a string time, but this is not the purpose of the problem. So we have to think of some different way to solve this problem, and I'm gonna comment this out right now for right now. You can access this later on. I'll just write here solution 1 and we will switch to solution 2 now. So what we can do is we can, as you can remember in previous questions, we have checked the ASCII values as well. Now if you check the ASCII values, small case letters start with 97 and end around 122, whereas capital letters start with 65 and end around 90. Now they have also mentioned, like if we check the constraint, it is also mentioned that S consists of printable ASCII characters. So these are the characters which are printable, and any of these characters can come, like special characters can also come, numbers also can come, but we just have to convert this capital letters into small case letters. So what we are going to do is think about this as a solution. Okay, so I'm going to give you a minute. I have dropped you a hand. Check this table. This is from Geeks for Geeks. Check this table, or you can use any other table as well, because the values are not going to change. And come back, give it a try and come back later to check the solution. And please pause the video. Okay, now I hope you must have given it a try. So what we can do is we can go into the solution. I'm going to use a string builder for this one, like string builder result is equal to new string builder. Why am I using string builder is for reduced complexity. Now for every character in the string, but we have to convert the string into char array. For every character in the string, I will be checking if it lies between this bracket. If it lies between this bracket, only then we have to convert, right? So what I am going to do is if C, which is our character, is greater than or equal to A, and C, our character, is smaller or equal to Z, only then what we have to do is we have to use C char C plus 32. Why 32? Because the ASCII value of 66 or 65, sorry, the ASCII value of A is gonna be 65, and if I add 32 in it, then I get the ASCII value of smaller case letter A. So that's why we are adding the 32. And we will be just appending the result dot append. Now another reason that we have used string builder instead of string is because not all the characters are going to change. It is possible that hello 5 is present over here, or like HE534 hashtag then O is present, and that are the characters that we do not want to change. We just want to change the capital letters into lowercase letters. So how this is how it's gonna work. Okay, and now we have to return our result as well, but we have to return the string, so we will convert it into string at the end. Do not forget the semicolon. In English you can forget, but in Java and programming you can never forget it. Okay, now let's just check this solution. This is accepted for the test cases. We have handled the edge cases over here as well. Let's see if it's gonna submit. Yes, and it is accepted by most of the test cases which are present over here. And what would be the time complexity? Time complexity in this case will be on, and space complexity would be, yes, that's right, O of 1. Oh, sorry, O of 1. Big O of 1. Okay. So this is how the final solution would look like for this problem. Okay. Now see you guys in the next one. Until then, please keep studying, please keep following, and do subscribe the channel as well, because we are going to solve every problem every day, a single problem every day. To help you stay consistent and stuff, we have already discussed that. So see you guys there. Bye bye.